Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed repair tutorial for the Conga 8290 base. Today, we'll take you step by step through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need. Let's start by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your repair done without any hassle. First, begin by turning off the device and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the Conga 8290 base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove each of the screws. It's advisable to place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the base. Inside, you may notice dust and debris. This is a good opportunity to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth or a small brush to carefully remove any accumulated dirt. For stubborn spots, apply a bit of isopropyl alcohol to your cloth and wipe gently. Ensure you avoid any electrical components as this could cause damage. If you'd prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand the extent of the repairs needed. Next, check the wiring connections. Sometimes, loose wires can lead to operational issues. If you spot any loose connections, gently press them back into place. If a wire is frayed or damaged, you may need to replace it. It's essential to ensure these connections are secure before proceeding. If you're unsure about this step, consider our quote before repair service, which will give you a clear understanding of potential costs before you commit. Once you've completed the internal cleaning and checked the connections, it's time to reassemble the base. Place the cover back on and align it with the screw holes. Insert the screws back in using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. After reassembly, plug the device back in and power it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If the base operates smoothly, congratulations on your successful repair. If you encounter issues, don't worry, we're here to help. We offer no calls, no travel options, making it easy for you to get your device fixed without leaving your home. In summary, repairing the Conga 8290 base involves gathering the right tools, cleaning the internal components, checking connections, and reassembling the device. If you need assistance at any stage, remember that our professional team is available to help with a diagnosis or repair, ensuring your device is in the best hands. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.